Good morning, YouTube. Today is Sunday. We're gonna do a nice Sunday reset the house, clean the house. I just got my closet put in. I have to finish organizing that. I have laundry to do. There's just like a ton on this list, but this is my first video, so I just wanted to formally introduce myself. My name is Alex. I live in Orlando, Florida, and I'm originally from New York City. Okay. And I made a commitment. Today is what? Let me see. What is today's date? Every week from here until the end of 2026, I made a commitment to myself that I am going to post a weekly video on YouTube. So this is my first video. If you're new here, I mean everybody's new here because it's my first video. Today is a really good deep cleaning video. We gotta finish cleaning my office room, beauty room, closet room. We have laundry to do. This video is gonna be a really chitty chatty, get to know me, get to know you, get to know me, get to know you. We're gonna be like this. You know, I believe in putting things out there, speaking into existence. So my goal is to, I don't know, magically hit 100K subscribers on YouTube by the end of the year. Is that too illegal? Is that too illegal? I think we can do it. I think we can do it. Right now we're at a Q 397. But can a girl dream? Can we get to 100K by the end of the year? I think we can. I think we can. I am grateful for the 397 that follow me right now. Showing you my life. So let me just introduce myself. So as I said, my name is Alex. I was born and raised in New York City, Queens specifically. Thank you. And I moved to Florida last year for nursing school. And it just so happens that when I moved here, girl, we fell in love. Yep. We fell in love. We found our dream man. He proposed. Yes, he did. He proposed on New Year's Eve of last year of 2025. And we just got married on June 27 of 2026. So within a year of moving here, finished nursing school, got engaged, got married, and now we're in a house. So we have done a lot in the last year. And we are just gonna keep growing, keep thriving, keep flourishing, and seeing what God brings our way. So yeah, we have a lot going on, and I'm just so excited to document the journey and really bring you along, because I feel like when I see people make YouTube videos, it's like they're literally making a visual diary for their future selves. And there's so much that has happened in the last year, and I haven't done that. And I'm just like, man, I wish I had those videos. But we're gonna do it moving forward. And did I mention that he proposed in Paris? He did his biggest one. He did his biggest one. Where's my ring? My ring is downstairs. I don't have it right now. I'll show it to you later. So the goal is 100K by the end of the year. 100K by the end of the year. Can we make that happen? If you're watching right now, can you subscribe? Can you subscribe? Because I need to hit 100K. Like, that is my goal. Like, if I can get that silver plaque so I can put it up on my wall from YouTube, I'll be a happy girl. I would be a happy girl. That'll be my Christmas present to myself. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna hit 100K this year. We got about September, October, November, December. Can we do it for months? I don't know. Anyways, so let's get into the day. I just took a shower. I just did my skincare, and we have to clean this house up, because a happy home, a clean home, it all ties together. Your energy, your mental, it all coexists. So let's get this house together. If you don't already follow me on all my other platforms, on Instagram, I am at Alex Fica. I'll put it on the screen. On TikTok, at Alex Fica. What else? On Facebook, Alex Fica. Okay, welcome to my future beauty room. Just imagine. You're probably wondering, Alex, what are we doing with all these boxes? Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's about 50 boxes here. 900 pounds worth of product. Okay, don't yell at me. I had this great idea. Let me sit down. I need to talk. I need to sit down and talk. I had this great idea. I have an extra room. I can turn it into a girly room. And that's what we're doing. So I ordered the IKEA PAX system closet. And my good husband, that is a good man, let me tell you, he offered to pay extra to have a TaskRabbit person come to build me the closet. I said, no, honey, no, don't you worry about that. I can do it. I've changed locks on doors before. I can change my own tire. Well, now that I'm married, I prefer not to. He does all the hard labor for us. So I declined his offer for booking a TaskRabbit, and I said I can do it. With his help, he will be doing most of the hard labor. I'm just here for his assistance. So I'm going to be building it. And I clearly am in over my head because when I got home, because he received the delivery, and I saw all these boxes, 900 pounds. It was on a big pallet in this big truck. 900 pounds. I was rethinking my whole life choices when I got home and I saw this in this room. But we're too far deep in. I told them we're going to do it, and we're going to do it, and I'm going to put a smile on my face, because one thing I will do in the future is if my husband wants to hire someone to come do the hard work for us so we don't have to do it, I will be doing that in the future. I will be doing that in the future. But for now, let's build this IKEA closet and turn this room into the girly room of my dreams. Okay? Let's do it. Okay, so let me give you a quick overview, run through of the room, what we're going to do, how it's going to transform, so that we can have a good before and after. All right, so on this wall, it's gonna be the closet wall. I have about 4 units for this wall. And then over here, we're gonna put 1. So it's gonna be a nice L, a beautiful background for the videos. And then on this wall, we're gonna make the vanity. I am gonna make the IKEA vanity where you put the Alex straws and then the glass. You know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna make that. That is gonna be my vanity, my dream vanity. Let me show you my previous vanity. Okay, now let me give you an overview of the vanity situation. We are gonna put it along this wall right here, but this is my current vanity. This is the vanity that I had in my apartment. I've had this mirror for about over 10 years now, and we're gonna upgrade everything. But she's small, she's mighty, she only has 2 drawers. I built her wrong, incorrectly, so I don't know how I think I'm gonna build an IKEA PAX system right now. We're not even gonna talk about it. She only has 2 small drawers. What we're making is a stunner. It's gonna be beautiful. I'm just, sometimes I gotta listen. I have to listen because I could have had a TaskRabbit built this already. But now I have to build it myself. All right, we have a lot of work to do. Let's get into it. Okay, so one thing that I really love about this house is that we have a full laundry room. Like when I had my apartment, it was just like a closet with the washer and dryer stacked on top of each other. But we have like a full room. Oh my gosh, there's like the lawn people outside. Hold on, because we have the lawn people outside, so they're a little bit loud. But one thing that I really love about this house is that we have a full laundry room. And coming from New York, we don't have laundry. We don't have laundry. You have to go to the laundromat and do your laundry there. Or if you lived in like Long Island, you would have laundry in your house. But I'm from Queens, so we didn't have that. And in my apartment that I had before this, where I lived up by myself before we got married, the laundry was just like stacked on top of each other in a closet. So now I have this whole laundry room. We clearly have 3 loads of laundry to do. And I don't take this for granted. Like I really, really love that we have a full laundry room. I want to put like a table here, like a folding table, but I have to find the right dimensions for that because I wouldn't put it along this wall here. Yeah, I gotta find a table for this because here it looks like they had like a sink here, but if we move this over. If we move this cabinet over, oh no, is this built into the wall? Oh, this is built into the wall, oops. But yeah, I'm gonna put a laundry table here to fold it because I have the bad habit of leaving laundry and then not folding it. So we have to work on that, but let me separate this loads of laundry.